The first jobs on the line are the ones with repetitive, rule-based work. Data entry clerks, typists, call center workers, cashiers, even bank tellers. But it doesn't stop there. Delivery drivers are being replaced by self-driving vehicles and drones. Actors and voiceover artists now compete with AI voices and digital humans in commercials. Proofreaders, plagiarism checkers, and grammar specialists practically gone. AI can already scan text faster and cheaper. In factories, machines are replacing assembly line workers. In the workplace, AI tools manage calendars and emails, cutting out assistants. These are not just jobs disappearing in the future. They are fading now. The Salesforce cut thousands of support jobs after AI stepped in. A Stanford study shows that since 2022, industries using a lot of AI have already cut about 13% of jobs held by young workers. And Goldman Sachs warns, up to 300 million jobs around the world may be impacted by AI.
Will AI create any new jobs?
While some roles have vanished, new ones are being born. AI needs human hands to shape it. That means data labelers, people who tag and sort the information AI learns from, trainers who guide the system with feedback, prompt engineers who knows how to talk to AI and get the best results, AI ethicists who study bias and fight for fairness, cybersecurity experts who protect these systems from being hacked or misused. Some of these roles pay well. Prompt engineers can earn over 6 figures. Cybersecurity experts and AI researchers often make even more. But the entry roles, like labeling and testing, pay far less. Sometimes just a few dollars an hour, and is typically outsourced overseas.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.